Hey there, folks! Today, we're going to talk about an incredible sight that's been happening right on our front porch. You see, a mama bird has made a nest and hatched eggs, and now she's feeding her little ones right on a shelf, just 2 feet away from where I sit every day. But here's the best part. The papa bird comes and feeds the mama, and it's truly a heartwarming sight to behold. Thank you for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more fascinating stories from our front porch. Until next time, take care and stay curious.